lang siya sa ClassPass for 12 credits. Kakatapos ko lang mag-graduate. Nakita ka mo lang bang diferensya?
Tawag naman natin.
Ayan, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Noah and Eve and it's my first time here. Iya ako kasi hindi ako marunong mag-vlog sa public. Pero yung ipapagawa kong facial ngayon, nakuha ko lang siya sa ClassPass for 12 credits. It's called the Carbon Facial Kinemerut. So basically, it's facial plus PicoSure. Which is proven to lighten mga dark marks, ganyan. It's even used for tattoos. So, we'll see how effective. Although, feeling ko one session lang ako dahil yung regular niya pala is about 15 to 17 credits. So, mahal yarn. Diba? Mahal yarn. So far, okay naman. Maganda yung ambience nila dito. May palibreng pagkain dyan. Tapos, bait din yung receptionist, although walang nagbukas ng door. Pero keribom, yun. Hinihingal ako kasi kakakain ko lang. Ayan, so habang naghihintay tayo, magchikahan na lang tayo dito. So recently, sobrang na-addict ako gumamit ng ClassPass kasi hindi lang para sa pang-workout, pero pwede mo rin siyang gamitin sa mga ganito, sa mga aesthetic clinics, pwede rin sa mga nails, ganyan. Pero so far, ito pa lang yung natatry ko na hindi workout. And I'll share with you my overall experience. I'll try to show you yung mga steps na gagawin ng ating esthetician for today. But so far, the ambience is really nice. It's setting up the mood. Like, parang ka nasa, parang kung wini-welcome sa heaven. Ganun. Charit. So, yun lang muna. Update ko kayo later.
First time here, ma'am? Yes.
Nagkakatapos ko lang mag-rejuve.
Kailan hawa?
Mga 2 weeks ago, no?
2 weeks ago na nga. Pwede ma-irritate. Pag pinagtuloy nyo naman si Carbon, magla-lighten lahat ng mga dark spot nyo, melasma.
Pagka-desperate na ako, nagre-rejuve na ako. Kasi ang stubborn ng mga dark marks ko sa
First time
right
mo
side.
mag-Carbon, ma'am, o hindi naman?
First time.
Session yun, nag-lighten na talaga yung mga dark spot nyo. Pero depende pa rin kasi sa skin mo, lalo na kung mabilis mag-red or matagal mag-red. Pero magla-lighten talaga siya. Lalo na sa mga acne, yung pinipigilan niya yung acne. Lalo na yung mga active acne. Okay lang po.
Machine siya na nakakagawa ng mask. Parang jelly na mask. So, pwede siya kung lagyan mo ng gamot. Yeah. So,
Ang carbon. Taas po ng head. Okay na po. Okay lang ma'am. Okay lang po. Ah, sure po. Okay.
umuulan na ba?
Hindi ko lang sure ma'am.
Nakita ka man lang bang diferensya?
Many hours later.
I have my first impression with Noah and Eve. So, first yung pag reserve ng time slot sa Noah and Eve through ClassPass is very easy. As in, one click away lang siya. Marami siyang time slots. So, sobrang convenient niya, lalo na kung may specific time kang fina-follow or gustong kunin. Upon arrival naman, the ambience is really nice, napaka-cozy kahit medyo maliit yung reception area. Meron din silang pa-welcome drinks, pa-welcome snacks. So, meron kayong freedom to get from their mini pantry. The receptionist was very nice. She's very accommodating. Hindi ko rin naramdaman na nagtaray siya at any point of our conversation. So that's a big plus. Now for the price, I reserve my slot through ClassPass for 12 credits. But I guess that's an introductory rate. Normally, it's about 15 to 17 credits if I'm not mistaken. If you book it directly with them, it's about 3,000 plus pesos. So, it's an expensive treatment. Hindi siya mura. Kaya naman, medyo mataas rin yung expectation ko sa kanya. By the way, yung pinagawa ko is the carbon facial. So, it's a combination of yung typical cleaning plus the Pico Laser. I keep saying Pico Sure kasi nakasanayan ko, pero it's Pico Laser. So, Pico Laser, if you don't know, is really good when it comes to hyperpigmentation or dark marks. Kaya ginagamit rin siya sa removal ng tattoo. In my case, my main concern is my hyperpigmentation kapag nagkakaroon ako ng acne marks. Moving on to the actual treatment, so the esthetician who assisted me, she's also very accommodating, very nice. She asked me if it was my first time. Hindi ko lang sure kung may factor ba if I book my facial through ClassPass or hindi. In fairness naman, again, they're very accommodating. All of them are very nice and polite. Then upon entrance to the room, ang napansin ko lang first thing, because I was on the parang pinakadulong room. Actually, hindi naman siya room kasi divided lang siya by curtains. Pero doon nga ako sa dulo, so napansin ko yung wall, medyo may stain siya, and that's the first thing na na-catch ng eyes ko. Hindi naman ganun ka-cramp yung space kung saan gagawin yung treatment mo. The treatment will begin with an aromatherapy. I really enjoy that kasi napakabango nung essential oil nila. So, totoong nakaka-relax. Tapos, combining pa nung ambient sound, it's very zen, okay? And then after that, they'll be washing your face. After washing your face, i-steam ka nila. And then after the steaming, ito na yung pre-king part. And with the pre-king naman, sa totoo, mataas kasi yung tolerance ko. Kaya, parang na-anticipate ko na magiging masakit siya. Pero yung technique kasi ni ate, well first, puro scrape lang yung ginagawa niya. So, nag-prick siya, pero hindi lahat. In fact, dito sa part na to, if I will zoom you in, makikita nyo na marami pa akong, yung parang mga bumps, hindi talaga natanggal. At dito ko medyo merong emotion because ang tendency ng balat ko kapag hindi na ha-harvest yung lahat ng mga comedones dyan, mas nagtitrigger siyang dumami. So, alam mo yun, just imagine if you paid 3,000 and hindi kukunin ng maayos yung ganun. Parang nakakapanghinayang, you know. It's part of the experience. I'd rather cry because of pain kesa sobrang disappointed ako kasi pagdating ko, like, kita ko sa noo, ang dami ko pang bumps. Dito, ang dami ko pang bumps. So, basically, hindi talaga siya super nalinis. I would also appreciate if after the pricking session, yung pinapakita kung gaano karami yung nakuha or binibigyan ka ng salamin just to show you na, okay, malinis yung mukha mo wala. Pero, yun yung wala sa kanila, and from all the clinics that I've been to, it's like a common practice. So, medyo na weirdohan ako na wala siya nun. Moving on, after that, nag-proceed na siya with yung parang laser nga na pang antimicrobial. So, yun, walang pain yun. As in, may weird lang siyang smell, pero it's painless. After nung antimicrobial, nilagyan nila ako ng mask. The mask, 100% really good. Gusto ko yung amoy, malamig siya, nakaka-refresh. As in, kung super nalinis lang yung mukha mo sa pricking, it would really refresh your skin. I also noticed it's not an isolated case kasi syempre nag-eavesdrop ako dun sa mga katabi ko, no? So, isa lang naman yung katabi ko. And parang from hearing their conversation and kung ano na yung, alam mo yun, kung ano na yung mga tunog, ang bilis din talaga mag-break dun sa kabila. I don't know kung wala lang bang masyadong makuha, but in my case, ang daming pwedeng makuha and almost same kami ng bilis. So, yun lang talaga yung disappointing part dito. And then after that, ito na yung Pico laser. So, nilagyan nila ng carbon yung face ko. After that, ginamitan na nila ako ng laser. And sinat niya naman yung expectation ko na medyo may pitek. OMG. Ito yung second na as in, pinaka nahirapan ako during the treatment because yes, it was tolerable kung at least portion by portion siya. Okay, hear me out. Di ba sabi ko nag-eavesdrop ako? Dun kasi sa kapila, naririnig ko na may pause. So, parang, ma'am, sasabihin nung esthetician sa kabila na, ma'am, mag-start na po ako. Tapos parang marinig ko magpo-pause. Tapos, magpo-proceed siya. Yung sa akin, as in, tuloy-tuloy talaga. Huminto lang siya, nung pagkatapos niya dito, lilipat na siya dito. Tapos hanggang chin ko na yun. So, naalala ko nga na, at one point, during that part of the treatment, para akong nabingi ako kasi yung amoy, yung usok, tapos yung tunog ng laser, as in, parang nakakapraning na siya. Ganong level. And then, after that, nilagay nila ako sa isang LED light and wala ding pain yun, so okay lang yun. But overall experience, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Pwede pang i-improve and sana yun nga talaga the pricking part. Yun yung, for me kasi, pinaka-vital bukod dun sa Pico laser. I feel like it's not gonna be as effective kung may matitirang mga gunk sa face mo. So, pag tinitignan ko yung sarili ko, naiinis ako kasi nakikita kong may naiiwan pa. Yun lang naman. Yun ang aking thoughts with Noah and Eve. Kung tatanungin niyo ako, babalik siguro ako kung magkakaroon na ng improvement doon sa part na yun or mag-request ako ng ibang esthetician. So, ayun lang naman. Let me know if there are other clinics na pwede kong itry na great for acne, oily, prone skin. And someone with hyperpigmentation. Comment down. And then, of course, don't forget to subscribe. So, yun lang for my video today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!